really excites me because I know that's where the future of science is, and I wanted to be part of that as I continued in my career and continued in my education.
The fact that we help so many people out there, which is honestly a good feeling for me.
The greatest part of my day-to-day process is just, as a team lead, I get the opportunity to check in with individuals and seeing how diverse our team is.
The benefits, so I recently just got braces, so my out-of-pocket was really good actually. So that was a steal for me.
Having the 401k matching and the enhanced 401k has really been something that stood out to us, and like, hey, this is amazing. Even if I was in the same position, no raises, no nothing, for the next 25 years and stayed with this company, we could build a future for ourselves.
The tuition reimbursement. I'm currently going to school right now, so it actually helps a lot.
And I've been at other jobs 5, 10 years. I've never seen the growth that I've seen here, and the opportunities that I was able to, go after.
So I would always tell them, yes, apply for BioFire, see if you can get in, because this is a place you can stay for, a career, for a path, and really be able to make a difference.